Hey guys, welcome back to a 30-hour review. Today I'm going to be showing you two lenses for the price of one. First, we got the neon blue from oudopanda, and the second one is the grass green from oudopanda. Now, why am I showing you both these lenses at the same time? Well, you may remember about a year ago I reviewed both Wens Lens Original and the Wens Lens Electric Ice. Both of those lenses I highly recommended. These guys are a third of its price and they are identical. Don't believe me? Check these out. Hey guys, let me know what you think. If you want to save 5%, use my coupon code 30hourreview on their website, oudopanda.com. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment for the next 30-hour review.